I really want to emphasize what are the benefits of this face mask for dry and oily skin. If you have normal to dry skin, it will give you a soothing and hydrating effect. It has amazing properties of anti-aging. If you have normal to oily skin, again, this mask is very beneficial for all of you because it controls the sebum, it lightens up your skin, it tightens up your pores, and it removes the dirt and oil clogged up in your pores. So these are the benefits of rejuvenating cucumber mask. For normal to dry skin, I have taken 2 teaspoons of cucumber pulp, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, which is maida, 1 teaspoon of fresh cream, which is malai. I've added all the ingredients together and made the paste, and the consistency will look something like this. For normal to oily skin, again I have taken 2 teaspoons of cucumber pulp, 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour, which is besan, and half teaspoon of lemon juice. I've mixed all the ingredients together and made the paste, and the consistency will look something like this. I want you guys to open your screen now. Anuka, just tilt it like this, baby. थोड़ा सा tilt करके दिखाओ. हाँ ठीक है. थोड़ा सा पतला है, अभी ठीक हो जाएगा.
It's Anuka's birthday also today.
Oh, happy birthday, Anuka.
Thank you. I thought to celebrate my birthday like this.
Good. Wow. That's nice, yaar. Amazing how neat and clean it is. Can you just show me the toner? Yes, Inatur Aqua Rose Toner. Wow. So good. I'm so happy to see that. Very good. Very good. And Bhavya, I checked out your page. I really liked it. It's really nice.
Thank you.
We have a graphic designer in the house. So I've sent you all in your broadcast list the link from day 1 to day 10 of YouTube videos. I hope so that you all have received them. Start sharing those links in your groups to your friends, to your family, to your relatives. Okay? To every girl and to every boy who is going to be married soon. Just give them. And that's my fee. I like your table. I like those cute cotton balls as well there. What's this little brush tool? Can you show me? This blue thing.
1 second. I do actually right now I just have this only for face, for cleansing only.
Yes. It's good. It's nice. So take out your face wash. Apna face wash nikalo. So I've taken out my face wash. It's called Sandal Fairness Face Wash. Brings instant fairness and glow. I'm loving the fragrance of this face wash. Start rubbing it gently on your full face. What do I say when I am doing my face wash one by one? Can you repeat my steps? Let me see कितने लोगों को याद हो गया है.
Take your face wash on your palms. Either you can put a dot on your face or just rub it in your palm and apply on your face. Do circular motions on your cheek, upwards on your neck, circles on your forehead. Don't take near to your under eye area and the eyelids. Keep on doing for 2-3 minutes and do it gently.
So take your face wash, rub it gently on your cheeks, on your foreheads. Don't forget your neck. And massage it smoothly.
And don't come close to your under eye area or even not on your eyelid area. Done, guys. Go and wash your face.
You always mention that don't use harsh towels on your face. Always use face tissues so that it should not give any rashes on your face.
Don't be harsh with your skin.
Yes, don't be harsh on your skin. Tani, what do you do in life?
Hi everyone, I'm Tani Duggal this side, and I'm a fashion designer. I've passed out from NIFT, and I'm a housemaker and a fashion designer. So I design good, comfortable clothes for females.
Take out your toner. I'm using my rose toner here. Tani is using Milagro toner. Can you show it to everyone? Okay, that's nice. I'm using my rose toner. Tani is using Milagro. It's also a very good toner from Milagro. If you want to order it, you can go to their site and you can order it. They also have their Instagram handle by the name of Milagro Beauty. If you guys want any link, I'll put their link in my YouTube video, okay? Take out your toners now. Okay, so I'm using my Inatur one. It's one of my favorite.
I have used this toner for the very first time today, and this is like a divine to my skin. It smells very good.
I wanted to ask how to use the toner if I'm using it in the cotton pad. It's a homemade toner.
Okay.
So I'm a little confused with that.
Take your toner on your cotton pad and start dabbing it on your full
Alright.
face, and don't avoid your neck and your neckline, and don't stretch your skin too much. Just dab gently. Use dabbing movements like this. Don't apply your toner, whether it is your homemade toner or alcohol based toner, too close to your under eye area or on your eyelid area. Just avoid. Okay.
I've joined from day 3.
So अभी skin में क्या क्या changes लग रहे हैं लिपिका?
बहुत सॉफ्ट हो चुकी है स्किन पहले से. स्किन इज शाइनिंग एंड बहुत ब्राइट हो चुकी है पहले से.
Take out your DIY homemade cucumber mask and start applying it on your face. In what movements? Anuka? Okay, now
Upward
dash.
movement.
Good. So don't take your pack too close to your under eye area, okay? And don't apply your pack on your eyelid area as well.
Cucumber smell is so refreshing.
Yes, it's so good. Never ever avoid your neck. I want you to introduce yourself to my girl gang.
Hi guys, I am Tanya Agarwal. I am a doctor by profession. I specialize in homeopathy. I work in Central Council of Homeopathy.
आपने कब ये ज्वाइन करा था हमारा CTM 21 days CTM?
I am following since day 1.
So as a doctor आपको इस सेशन में क्या अच्छा लगा?
Natural ingredients that we are using. So for the CTM session, apart from we were not actually regularly following during the lockdown the cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. I don't know about others, but I was not doing it. Like face wash kar liya, that was more than enough for me. But now I have started feeling the change in myself, my skin. That yes, it has gone better hydration, and yes, I have started doing it twice in a day.
That's good. I'm so happy to hear that from a doctor's mouth.
I'm Prakriti and she's my daughter Sanchi.
Prakriti, can you please tell me about your experience when you have joined this 21-day skin challenge?
So I have just joined today only. This is my first day.
Your pack is good, ma'am, but थोड़े से lumps आ गए हैं. Next time थोड़ा सा और blend करेंगे तो ये नहीं आएंगे.
Okay.
Show us your skin, Nilisha. Glow तो कर रही है दूर से निलिशा की nose और cheeks भी. Show it to us. Nice.
Yes, I'm the luckiest one क्योंकि मैं आपके साथ from the day 1 हूँ. I don't know और कोई है नहीं, but I'm the luckiest one. I feel कि मैंने कुछ भी मिस नहीं करा है. आपके सारे DIY मास्क ट्राई करे हैं एंड मेरे लिए बहुत टफ हो रहा है ये डिसाइड करना कि किसने मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा ग्लो दिया है, क्योंकि कभी मुझे लगता है यार कॉफी इज द बेस्ट और आज मुझे लग रहा है यार कुकुम्बर ने कुछ ज्यादा ही ग्लो दे दिया.
I am so happy that you are so happy. Your skin is feeling so good. That's give me, my fees. I think so. So, Nilisha, tell me one more thing. और skin में आपको improvement क्या लगा? Glow आया आपकी skin में, सबने सुना. और क्या लगा better?
जी मेरा ये जो ड्राई स्किन है, मेरा ये नोज एरिया और ये एरिया मोस्टली पैची और ड्राई ही रहता था इवन आफ्टर मॉइस्चराइजिंग. ये चीज मेरी बहुत इम्प्रूव हुई है. यहाँ का जो ड्राइनेस है, ड्राइनेस की वजह से मुझे इस एरिया में एक्ने भी बहुत आते थे, तो वो चीज काफी इम्प्रूव हुई है.
Okay.
और पैचीनेस में भी बहुत फर्क मिला है. मतलब अब मेरे को अपनी स्किन पैची नहीं लगती. मतलब पहले तो मॉइस्चराइजर के 10 मिनट बाद ही लगता था यार थोड़ा पैच आ रहा है, यहाँ पैच आ रहा है, बट वो चीज अब नहीं आती.
Thank you, Nilisha.
थैंक यू सो मच दी, आई लव यू.
एक और चीज आई वांट टू शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ यू. प्लीज आप अपने लिए तो फेस पैक बनाते हो, राइट? सो अपने पार्टनर के लिए भी फेस पैक बनाओ. जो लोग मैरिड हैं एटलीस्ट वो अपने हस्बैंड के लिए बना सकते हैं. सो जब हम साथ में मिलके करेंगे तो बहुत मजा आएगा. लेट्स मेक इट a fun 21-day skin CTM challenge.
सबसे पहले तो जो भी आपके सारे पैक्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं और मेरे हस्बैंड को भी बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. वो जब भी अभी ऑफिस आते हैं तो बोलते हैं पूरे आज कौन सा पैक था और वो मेरे साथ लगाते हैं रोज नाइट पे.
That's nice.
मुझे मैसेज करते हैं ऑफिस से कि बोले आज कौन सा पैक था और फिर रेडी रखना.
So I washed my face and this pack is really good. जैसे पूर्णिमा ने बोला कि शिखा दी रोज मेरा हस्बैंड पूछता है कि आज कौन सा फेस मास्क है, आज कौन सा फेस मास्क है. तो प्लीज आप सब अपने पार्टनर की भी स्किन के अकॉर्डिंगली फेस मास्क बनाया करो, इकट्ठे मिल के करो. बहुत अच्छा टाइम मिला है लॉकडाउन पीरियड में. I want to show you my skin closely. Have a look. Look at this shine. My skin is absolutely normal to dry and it's glowing. और आप लोगों के साथ ये जब मैं 21 डे CTM स्किन चैलेंज कर रही हूँ तो मैं भी अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रख पा रही हूँ. एंड इन डेली रूटीन मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता. आई हैव टू रश टू माई स्टूडियो. कभी मेकअप्स हो रहे होते हैं, कभी मेरी पर्सनल मेकअप वर्कशॉप चल रही होती है, और वो नहीं चल रहा होता तो सैलून में रश चल रहा होता है. तो मैं मोस्टली बिजी रहती हूँ, फेशियल्स नहीं करा पाती हूँ, बस मैक्सिमम एक हेड वॉश ले लेती हूँ एंड उसी में मेरा हो जाता है. सो थैंक यू.
एक्चुअली आई हैव एन एक्ने प्रोन स्किन, बट मुझे आफ्टर वॉश मॉइस्चराइजर लगाने की एकदम इंस्टेंट जरूरत पड़ती थी. बट मैंने आपका डे 8 से स्टार्ट किया था, ज्वाइन किया था, तो मुझे बहुत डिफरेंस पता चला. अब मैं आई कैन वेट फॉर लाइक 5-10 मिनट्स मॉइस्चराइजर के लिए आराम से.
सो टेक आउट योर मॉइस्चराइजर. आई एम यूजिंग माई क्लिनिक वन. निलिशा, tell me, how do I always explain how we should apply our moisturizer?
Just take your moisturizer in your finger and put it on your face like this in dot form. Whatever is remaining in your hands, just rub it between your palms.
Okay.
And emulsify the product in your skin. Do in upward and circular motions. Don't go near your under eye and eye area. And don't forget your neck area. In the upward movements, we need to do in upwards. Don't go very close to your eye area. Do the pinching movements like this. Massage it little bit gently on your face, and we are done.
Good, Nilisha. Thank you for explaining it to everyone.
Thank you, Dee.
Nilisha, इसके बाद क्या करते हैं?
Under eye cream.
So okay, take out your under eye cream. Let me get my under eye cream. Okay, I have my favorite cream, which is Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Nilisha, I have opened up my cream. How to apply it?
I'm using Mom's Co. If it's a roll-on, do it in a roll-on. Otherwise, you can apply it with your this finger because it has the lightest pressure.
Okay.
Just apply it under eye area. And don't forget the area above your eyes, like this.
On your eyelid area.
Yeah, right.
And Nilisha, excuse me. Wait, guys. Now, Nilisha, what movements should I use? Rubbing movements or dabbing movements?
No, just tap the remaining product. Let it go inside your skin.
Guys, let's dab our product.
Very light pressure. Done.
So I am also.
Shikha ma'am, I was asking you that if we don't have under eye, can we use this Indulgence oil also under eye area?
Maybe you need to read on the instructions. Face oil under eye पे लगा सकते हो या नहीं? Because normally companies under eye area के लिए अलग से oils बनाते हैं या अलग से under eye cream बनाते हैं because this area is very sensitive. One most important tip I want to give you all: every day new people are joining in, right? So if you are applying my DIY homemade recipe mask, always try it on the back of your ear. Do a patch test, okay? Because sometimes if you are putting honey, if you are putting any fruit, you don't know about it, but you may be allergic to that particular fruit.
Now take out your lip balm. I'm using by Nykaa Green Apple.
Okay, so I'm using my Laneige lip balm.
We are done.
I hope everyone is done. किसी का कोई मास्क, कोई फेस मॉइस्चराइजर कुछ रह तो नहीं गया है?
it's a very funny thing which I'm going to share. You know what? My child is like, my kid is in Venkateshwar school, and from today only, the school has started with a flip teaching. Like now, the student will teach, the rest of the class will listen, and ma'am will also listen. So you were also doing the same thing. He said, "Mama, now it's your turn to teach."
That's nice. That's nice because you know you
yeah,
talk.
because in the morning he did the same thing, and I was also telling you about the face wash initially, the first step. So he was like, "Mama, it's your turn now to teach the class."
So in this way, Anuka, it's so interactive. Everybody feels so motivated ki yaar, whatever Shikha has told us, you know, I need to remember it now. She can ask me. And you know, then it is so embarrassing when you can't tell the whole steps. Look at you, look at Nilisha.
Shikha, I want to ask you, is using vitamin C serum in the night of Saint Botanica is a good choice?
Yes, it's a very good choice.
Because I was suggested by some doctor to me, so that's why I thought let's ask you first.
Thank you. I feel so honored. But yes, it's a good choice.
Today's mask was really chilling. It is giving me such a cool effect. I'm really happy to apply that. I'm loving it, literally.
Good. Thank you so much, Renu. Thank you. So if you have liked my video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Whatever queries you have, please go to the comment section and write there, and I will go there and I will answer your queries. Do not forget to share this video with your loved ones. Last but not the least, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever my videos are up, you will be the first one to get the notifications. So bye, take care.